Hello everyone, I thought that I would share a Dollar General haul with you guys. I got some groceries, got some fall items, and a few yard sale finds. And I swear, every time I go to a yard sale or go yard selling, I end up going to the Dollar General before I even get home. So I needed some bread, so I just got the butternut loaf of white bread. I got 2% milk. I got 2 jugs of Pop and Mountain Dew, Dr. Pepper. Connor picked out My Little Pony juice there. I wanted the Fisher's bologna. They didn't have that, so I just grabbed the Bar S for some quick sandwiches with some tomato and lettuce. And I picked up John one of these Big Mama pickled sausages. Him and Connor love these sausages. They even like the hot sausages. And then picked up, last food item is the Grippo's barbecue flavored snack rings. I've never seen these before, but I am a big fan of the Grippo brand. If you've literally never had them with Grippo's, I mean like the barbecue hot barbecue chips. Those are so unbelievably tasty. But that is my grocery items. The first item I got from Dollar General, I'm actually filming on top of, and it's a placemat for $1. And it says thankful, and it has all the beautiful leaves and acorns around it. Absolutely no brainer. Had to get this to film on top of. It's so beautiful. And they did have another one with like the truck on it and with the pumpkins. And I thought that it wouldn't fit well enough in the frame. Otherwise I'd have grabbed that one as well. But I thought this one would be perfect. So I picked up that. In the Halloween stuff, I got this DIY craft kit for $1. This makes 4 sugar skulls, and what I really like about this is look how stacked this package is. It is absolutely full of stuff. You don't even have to use it all for the sugar skulls. You can use it for other projects as well, and for $1, I thought me and Connor would make us some sugar skulls, and any leftover crafts for $1 is much appreciated, so that's really cool. I did pick up a couple of fall decor items. Now, I was going to pick up a couple other things, but I decided not to because I have so much fall decor already stored back. But I did pick this acorn up. I have an acorn cookie jar and some skull or squirrel salt and pepper shakers and stuff. So I thought this would look really cute in the kitchen. It says Autumn Blessings, and it's just a big acorn. It's made out of like wood and like a tissue-like kind of ribbon. And for $1, can't beat it. This is made to look like metal. So all in all, I thought that was a really nice addition to my decor. And then I picked up another one of these shadow boxes here. And it says, as for my house, we will serve the Lord. I absolutely love this. It was only $1. Can you believe that? And how many things can you honestly say that you see out and about anymore that say anything about the Lord, Jesus, Christianity, I mean, faith in general. So I just love this, and I love the Lord. So I need this for my decor, and I need this for everyday decor. This is going on my living room decor shelf today. This is, you know, not just fall-like, but anytime like. The Lord is anytime. So I picked that up. And then I just got a couple candles and a wax. So that will be for the Dollar General. I didn't get many items. I got the Maple Belgian Waffle Candle. These are $1. Smells divine. Absolutely divine. Like, I have good luck, seems like, with these small jars like this from Dollar General around fall and sometimes winter. So I don't care to pick these up for $1. The big candles are iffy though. Now, if these work out, I may go back and purchase the big ones of these as well. But I also got pumpkin cheesecake. Another absolutely divine scent here. It smells absolutely amazing. And I got, the wax that I got was pumpkin pecan cobbler. And yeah, it's just a nice pumpkin pecan kind of scent. It's a bakery scent. This stuff is awesome. So yeah, that's the Dollar General part of the haul. Hope you guys enjoyed this part. Now we're going to move into just a few yard sale finds. 2 yard sales. And I picked up Connor a Minecraft shirt. Well, actually 2 Minecraft shirts. They were, she let us have them for $3 each. And as much as he loves Minecraft, totally worth it. Personally, I typically like to pay like $1 or $2 at yard sales for shirts, but this is okay. This is something Connor will actually wear, and it has a creeper on it. I love that they're made out of that soft tea material. And then this one has, oh my goodness, this one's so cute. A cute little Steve, and it has the creeper, pigs, magma cube, and there's Enderman and a spider jockey, slime zombies, a zombie pigman. There's a cow, a blaze rod even, the ender dragon, there's a ghast, and oh, there's a spider somewhere and stuff. So yeah, how adorable is this one? This one's a little bit more worn, but that's okay. Still worth it. Connor's gonna love this. And then I did get at the same sale these pair of nice sandals. They're so soft, and growing up, I actually had a pair of these, but they were brown, and they were so comfortable. I remember, I think I had them in like probably middle school or something, but I paid $2 for these. So just for every day around the house, go check the mail, things like that. Yeah, very nice. Hadn't been hurt. So moving on, I found these brand new. All these headbands have tags on them, and and they're like suede kind of material, and you already know I love my headbands because I like to wear my thick hair up. And so I got black, I got a burgundy, I got a navy blue, and I got this nice suede tan color. I am so excited for these. They make me so ready for fall. And then I got this kind of head wrappy kind of one because it's really big in the back, and it's teal. And all these were 25 cents each. So for $1.25, I got 5 headbands. And then she had 2 packages, 2-pack of floral headbands for 50 cents. It has that nice blue floral print in there, and then it has a dark brown with some flowers on it. This one has a lighter chocolate brown with some floral print, and this one is a cream with some floral on there. There's what that one looks like. They all pretty much have this kind of print on it, except for that blue one there. Perfect for fall. It's so pretty. This makeup brush cleaning glove for 50 cents. I'm like, heck yeah, I'll take that. It's 4 different kind of grooves in there, and of course it's like silicone, and it says it reduces brush cleaning time by 60%. I don't know about that, but it does speed up the process a bit. So I picked up that one, and then she said don't go yet because I have another one at the bottom that I think you'll like even better. And yes, she plucked this one out, and it was 50 cents. 50 cents for this makeup brush cleaning silicone pad. Like, can you believe that? This is the one with the suctions on the bottom. Yes! Oh my gosh, and look at all this. What a station. Okay, so I was super excited to have this, and this for $1. So literally spent like give or take $3 at that yard sale and come out with 9 headbands and 2 brush cleaning mats. So yeah, that's our yard sale stuff and our Dollar General haul. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more haul videos. Like the video, comment, subscribe if you haven't already. Check the description box for additional links, and thank you guys always for watching.